Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate product variants with Spocket detailed guide step by step clearly. To get started with automating product variants using Spocket, first, log into your Spocket account. Once logged in, navigate to the Products section on the left sidebar. Browse through the available products or use the search function to find the specific item you want to work with. Select the product you want to automate by clicking on it. In the Product Details page, scroll down to the Variants section. Here, you will see all the available variants for that product, such as size, color, or material. To automate the variants, click on the Automation tab at the top of the page. You will now see options for setting up your variant automation rules. Choose the variant attribute you want to automate first, such as size or color. Once selected, click on the Create Rule button to set up your automation. Specify the conditions under which the automation should trigger. For example, you can set rules for minimum stock levels or specific customer preferences. Next, define the actions that should follow when the conditions are met. You can automatically adjust pricing, update stock levels, or even notify you when an action is triggered. Make sure to review your automation settings before saving. Once you are satisfied, click the Save button to apply your automation rules. After saving, your automation rule will be active for the selected product variants. You can monitor the performance of these automation rules through the Analytics section. Return to the Products section to apply additional automation rules to other products as needed. Remember to periodically review your automation rules to ensure they align with your business needs. With these steps, you can effectively streamline your product variant management using Spocket. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.